Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make any GIF your profile pic on IMVU. So let's go. Go to easygif.com. After going to easygif.com, go to crop, then go to giphy.com. You can download any GIF from here. I already downloaded it, so then upload it here. Then choose file, export, then upload this GIF, click on upload. Then you need to crop our GIF file. After cropping this file, you need to click on crop image. So it's cropped. Go to resize. You need file width 160 and height 220, and click on resize. So as you can see, file is ready for upload on IMVU. So if your file size is more than 200 KB, you can decrease this percentage from here. So go to imvu.com. Then go to classic, then go to edit. As you can see, you can upload images from here. You can choose file from here and update your profile. As you can see, the file size, width and height and must be less than 200 KB. So I hope you like this video. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel and like my video.